clock is ticking, tick-tock. What's the time, Mr. Clock? The clock is ticking, tick-tock. What's the time, Mr. Clock? 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. What's the time? The clock is ticking, tick-tock. What's the time, Mr. Clock? The clock is ticking, tick-tock. What's the time, Mr. Clock? 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. What's the time, Mr. Clock?
Good morning! Welcome to ABCM Online. My name is Teacher Sam.
My name is Teacher Bo.
And we are K2/7. And this week we've been learning all about clocks. And today we're going to be making my wristwatch. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Okay, so to make your wristwatch, you will need colored pencils,
Color pencil,
colored card,
color card,
glue,
glue,
scissors,
scissor,
watch face.
watch face.
Okay, so step 1 for making our wristwatch. The first thing we are going to do is take out the face of our watch, and we're going to take scissors and cut it out. So here we have the face of our watch, and we know that because we can see the numbers going around. Now we're going to take our scissors and cut out the circle. Okay, now we have the face of our watch. The next thing we're going to do is to color our watch, and we're going to draw on an hour hand. Remember, that is a short hand, and a minute hand, which is a long hand. Okay, and once you've finished coloring in the face of your watch, the next thing we're going to do is draw on the hands. So we're going to have an hour hand and a minute hand. Okay, so our wristwatch has the 2 hands. It has a long hand pointing at 12 and a short hand pointing at 10. Can you guess what time it is? Good job, it's 10 o'clock on our watch. Okay, step 2. We're going to take the face of our watch and we're going to glue that onto our square piece of paper. Okay, now we're going to glue that onto the middle of our paper. Make sure you stick that down. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is to create a pattern around our clock face to make our watch beautiful. And we're going to draw a flower shape around our face of our clock. Okay, once you've finished decorating around the face of your clock, we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut. Okay, now we have the face of our watch all decorated and colored beautifully. Now what we need to do is to create something so that our watch can stick to our wrist. So to do that, we're going to take our long piece of colored paper and we're going to use colored pencils to make a beautiful design all around the wrist. Okay, it's up to you what colors you want to use and whatever design you want to do. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is attach the face of our watch onto our wristwatch, okay? And we're going to use some glue to stick that onto our wristwatch. Okay, once you've covered the back, we're going to glue that onto the middle of our rectangle. Okay, so as you can see, we've got the face of our watch and it is in the middle of our rectangle. Okay, so what we're going to do with our small rectangle piece of paper is we're going to fold it around one side of our wristwatch to create the right size. Fold over the top and bottom. Okay, now once you've got the correct size, you can take that off and put on a little bit of glue. Ta-da! So that's our wristwatch finished, our beautiful flower wristwatch. Now to put on your wristwatch so we can see the time, you're going to wrap that around your wrist. And then we can put that through the belt to attach that together. And that's how we attach on our wristwatch, and now we can tell the time. Okay, don't forget to take a photo so that me and Teacher Bo can see your wristwatches too. Okay, great job today everyone. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.